Okay, in 102 we have the question of whether this set is a subset of this set. Okay, and you understand what these sets are. So what can we do? Well, as we did up here, let's just take each element of this set. You know, there are more elements here. There are 26 elements in our universe, but now our universe is going to be much bigger than this one, but we're only talking about this subset of it, so we only have to be concerned with the elements of this set to see whether each one is in this set. If they are, then it's a subset. Okay, so let's see. I'm just going to list possible values of x and whether x is in set of x such that x is an integer, multiple, etc. In other words, this set. Okay? So, x, what would we want to test? We'd want to test 24. Okay, if x equals 24, then does it satisfy this condition? Well, yeah, 24 is a multiple of 4, an integer multiple of 4. 6 times 4 is 24. It's also a multiple of 6. 4 times 6 is 24. But if x equals 24, yes, that's in the set. If x equals 44, okay, is 44 in this set? Well, if I replace x by 44, is 44 an integer multiple of 4? Well, yeah, and we can stop there. We don't care if it's an integer multiple of 6. It only has to be 1, but it could be both, as in this case. So yes. And then we test 66. I think it was 64. And I take it back, it was 46. Okay, we're going to test 66. Okay, in class we used 64 and it did prove to be a multiple. But now we're using 66, and 66 is not a multiple of 4, is it? If x is 66, then 66 an integer multiple of 4 or 6, it ain't so for 4. What about 6? Well, yeah, 6 times 11, so yes, it is an integer multiple. So, this is a subset of this set. Now remember, on a test, if you just say yes, you get 0 points. Okay? Because it's either yes or no. And you could flip a coin, and I don't give credit for coin flips. You have to say yes because, and you have to show why it's true. This would be the way to do it. Now, if you just said, well, 24 is a multiple of 4, 44 is a multiple of 4, 66 is a multiple of 4, less formally than this, that would be okay. I would give you credit, but I would much rather see this, because if you do this, I feel a lot better about your ability to think things and express them clearly, which will make me feel a lot better throughout this course, because you're almost certain to make better grades if you can do that. Okay? Not that I'm going to give you extra points for doing it, it's just that you're going to be more likely to be able to solve the problems you'll be solving in this course. Okay? So, fairly simple. Once you get the hang of using this, it's really quite economical. It could get really tedious if your sets are too big, but it's quite economical.